Margaret!
George, where were you today? You weren't at school.
Look, I just woke up. I overslept. Look, you gotta help me. I want to ask Lorraine to the dance, and I don't know what to do. And
keep your pants on. It'll be okay. She's in the cafe. Please open this. Thank you. So, anyway, what made you change your mind?
Last night, Darth Vader came down from Planet Volton, and he told me that if I don't ask Lorraine out by tonight, he'd melt my brain.
Okay. Keep the brain melting stuff between you and me. Look, she's over there. Well, it's simple, George. Just go in there and invite her.
Okay. All right. What do I say?
Whatever comes natural. What comes to your mind?
Nothing's coming to my mind.
Jesus Christ, it's a miracle I was even born.
Huh?
Nothing. Say something about how destiny has brought you two together and that she is the most beautiful girl you have ever seen. What are you doing?
Keep on going. I'm writing this down. Oh my God, this is great stuff. Destiny. All right. Thank you, Margaret. You're the best.